Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss how to see deleted message on Snapchat. Unfortunately, Snapchat is designed with security in mind, so viewing a deleted message isn't straightforward. However, here is some steps you can try. Ask the sender. Sometimes the sender might still have the message and can resend it to you. It's worth asking if they can do this. Contact Snapchat support. Here is how you can reach out to Snapchat support. Open your Snapchat app and go to your profile. Tap on the settings in the top right corner. Scroll down and select I need help. Navigate through the option until you find a way to contact support. Explain your issue and inquire if it is possible to retrieve a deleted message. Submit a request in the support section. Look for an option to submit a request. Provide your username, full name, email address, and a detailed description if your problem. Snapchat supports team may review your request and provide assistance. Please note that there is guarantee that Snapchat will be able to resolve deleted message. However, it's worth trying these steps to see if there's a solution. I hope this information helps you out. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye for now.